So much. We're back with Apex TV UG. Right about now, I'm with T Paul. How are you, T Paul?
I'm okay. How are you? Thank you.
I'm okay. Abanyambara Audio Mwanamsia. That's what I can say. You're new here. They love what you're doing. I can say I love what you're doing. What inspired you to start singing?
Well, what inspired me is the rest of the people that have grown up normally like you or me are doing it. What about you? What about me? Following your dream, following your passion, and doing it is what has driven me. Other people are doing it. What about you?
So you believe you can do it? No manya music eje funny. Hari haba kujikora batine talent. Hari kujikora hari kujikunda. Konka they are not gifted as people. What do you think of that? Do you give them a go ahead?
Yeah, all I know is hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard. So if you're talented and you sleep, but if you're not talented and you work hard, still it will bring food to the table. So it doesn't matter, and everyone has their story. But your mind because you are you, I am me. I can't be you, and you can't be me. So if I am best at being me and selling it to you or kachugora, then it doesn't matter if I'm talented or I'm not talented. Yeah.
I love Tam Tam. I've had Butabika. Butabika is very good. Who shoots your videos?
Butabika was done by a local boy here from Barara. He's called Trizi. Yeah, he's a very good young man. If you checked out all the Western videos that are coming out these days, it's Trizi doing them. And a shout out to you, Trizi. Come here, ready.
Shout out to you, Trizi. You're doing a very great job. People are loving what you're doing. Have you released Tam Tam?
Tam Tam was done by Danny Schutz, but that is a promo video. Then Danny Schutz is also a local boy here. Gecko Ventures. If you know Gecko Ventures, you know Danny Schutz. So Danny Schutz did that song, and also With You was done by a guy from Kampala, Vince Dre. Yeah.
And what about your audios? Are your audios produced by basically one person?
Yeah. My audios, for now, the ones people know, have been done at home, but the ones that I'm expecting to come out, some have been done out there, and some have been mastered out of the country. But for now, it's still Josh Case and Bruno Beats.
Bruno Beats, Alpha Music, is that it? Shout out to you guys. You're doing a very great job by pushing the Western talent. T Paul, what does T Paul do apart from music?
T Paul only does music. It's what he knows best. Yeah. T Paul did accounting and finance at university, but T Paul let it down to first focus on the music because the passion it's like a calling. Yeah. You just find yourself in that path and whoosh.
So omuntu yakufunira yonka kijobo kwecha accounting tokwasa kuchikola.
And for those that actually know me now, kind of me, but divided loyalties, yeah.
Abana ba live band JJ wa manyejo nabatina nabareba ngore no baselebe anytime from now bahamsirize noza goma nabo ninga noza kusyo bwire no basigaho
abahagizi banje ba live band n'abakozi batahi banje ba live band. I love my band so much. I respect my band so much. That is why up to date, go anje properly nza kukora, because without them, no one would have known me. Even Bruno Beats wouldn't have found me anywhere if it wasn't for the band. So, Graham Keys, thank you very much for the opportunity and teaching me and grooming me to the person I am today. But it will depend on the it reaches a point and situation, the environment requires you to change to what is available. When that point comes, I'll have to adhere with T Paul demands. Yeah, but for now I'm still with my band and I respect it so much. Yeah.
That was T Paul. I wish you all the best as a person, and we want to see you doing better and better. About 12 kids bambe mutafayo omwana kwara achitere mwikiriza gender yare. Yes, the music yare kwara achitere mwikiriza gender. Akwa next time ya achitire numuza kuija numutera nawe nimwe muratere chintu che. This was T Paul Owaishongwire Tam Tam. That's my favorite song with him, and I can say he's a very talented boy. I wish you nothing nothing but the best. Apex TV ntubendeza nicho kureba nturonda talent nitwenda kupushinga talent yitwa ha Western. Please.
I like the idea of Apex TV, and thanks to you guys. This is a round of applause to Apex TV. It's a very good venture and innovation. Some people wait for others to do something, but when you take it upon yourself to do it, you're a star, and I'm sure it's going to work. So keep it up, keep it better, keep planning. So it's all going to be fine, yeah. And I'm a huge fan.
Thank you. We are live on Apex TV. You can follow us on Instagram, Apex TV UG. You can subscribe on YouTube, Apex TV UG, with your girl Dara. Till next time. Mwah.